So I was doing my gardening today and I wanted to make a greenhouse for a new plant. I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing here. So I have a 2-liter bottle and all I'm gonna do is just kind of cut the top off just as it starts to bend towards the cap. So now we want to do the other side. Then whoops. We're going to be using some of this. I want to pop a hole and then just make it big enough. Kind of do the same on the other side. Thick string. And then just kind of cut, let's say about that much off. And pop it through. And then just tie it in just a regular box knot. Cut off the excess. And then you do it on the other side. Poke just a few little holes into the cap. Just screw it back onto here. Take your pot, plant your seed over top of it. You just put it into the dirt like this. You fill it up with water in here, and then it drips into there.